dear students. Let's continue our previous lesson, the elephant and the mice. Okay, I have already explained the summary of the lesson in the previous class. So, today I will read the next portion of the text. We will read the text. Okay. After a few days, it so happened that the herd of elephants fell into the traps set by elephant hunters. Many elephants, including the king, got caught in the nets. They struggled hard but could not set themselves free from the strong nets. Suddenly, the king of elephants remembered the promise of the king of mice. He instructed an elephant who was not trapped to remind the king of mice of his promise and request. Now, last summary I have told you that elephant also got trapped, which was made by the human beings. When the mice said that one day, whenever you need our help, you just call us, we will come and help. That time the elephants laughed it away. These silly creatures cannot do anything for us. So what happened next? After a few days, it happened that the elephants got trapped in the nets which was made by the human beings. And many elephants, including the king also, got into the net. And they tried their best to come out of it. But unfortunately they cannot. And as they were struggling, suddenly the king of elephants remembered the promise. Once that time he teased away the words of the mice. But now he remembered the voice, suddenly he remembered the promise of the mice. He instructed an elephant who was not trapped. There are some elephants who was not trapped, who were out of the net. And he asked those elephants to go and call the king of the mice. Sometimes they can help us. And as soon as the elephant informed the king of mice of the situation, the latter immediately summoned all the mice and said, "Now is the time for us to return the favor of the elephants. We should go immediately." And this mice, the king of the mice said that, "Sir, now is the time for us to give you back our help, which once you had helped us, and this is the time to return that. We will help you. Now is the time for us to return the favor of the elephants. We should go immediately." And so they marched to the place where the other elephants had been trapped. All the tiny mice quickly started nibbling on the nets to cut loose the strong elephants. The elephants were grateful to the mice for freeing them. The king of elephants thanked the king of mice for the timely help, and they became great friends thereafter. That day, it dawned on the elephants that size doesn't determine the strength. Even tiny little animals are strong in their unique ways. So you see, great friendships can be formed just about anywhere. Now, the king of the mice, one of the elephants went and summoned means called, the king of the mice. And they came running, all the mice together they came and they started to cut the nets with their sharp teeth. So, and they were cutting very fast. At all the tiny mice quickly started nibbling. Nibbling means they started cutting with their strong teeth and all the nets to cut loose the strong elephants. The elephants were grateful. When they were freed, all the elephants became free. They were very thankful. And the king of the elephants thanked the king of mice for the timely help, and they became very friendly. That day it dawned on the elephants that time onwards the elephants understood that it is not the size made. The size doesn't determine the strength. Some people will be very fat, but they will not be very strong. So the size does not determine the strength. Maybe a thin, a lean person can be more stronger than the fat person. And likewise, in a mental Mentally also, some people will be talking too much, but they mentally they will not be very bold. But the people they are very quiet and keep not very quiet, but they are not very talkative, but they will have strong willpower. So that is even the tiny animals are strong in their unique ways. So you see, great friendship can be formed just about anywhere. Now before we conclude our lesson, in the textbook we have jumbled words. See, jumbled words. The first one, the spelling you can see, STPLAENE. And definitely you get this jumbled, that the word is not correct. And the words are jumbled here and there. You have to arrange it properly. So you can take ELEPHANT. The answer is elephant. Likewise, FIEGFAR. What's that? It is GIRAF. Giraffe. Double F. Giraffe. GIRAFF. Giraffe. Okay. Now next one is third one, GKAOORAN. GKAOORAN. That is KANGAROO. Kangaroo. Now another one, OTPPUIPASOMH. That is hippopotamus. Next one is EKNYOM. You all know that. This monkey. So these are the jumbled words. Do it.